Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today is September 19, 2025, and I'm going to be going over how I made $12,000 today. So let's just get straight into this. Yeah, huge day today. First, let me show the P&L for all of the pocket watchers. So, got screenshots here. These are the top step accounts on the top, and then we have the alpha futures accounts on the bottom. And let's go here. As you can see, executed on the screen on all 5 of the accounts, and then here as well. And then of course executed on my funded futures, which is what I'm showing on TradingView right now. So, which I entered for one contract. There you go. So $12,000 made on this trade today, and let's just get into this. So I'm gonna be going first over the daily buys. Oh, and also there's like these executions here. This is me messing around in Asia session. Don't worry about that. But let's just get into this. So coming into the morning, I'm looking at what the overnight session's done and what we're respecting and what we're disrespecting. So if you go into like the 4 hour, for example, like it's just clear that we're in bullish order flow. Like we're trading at all-time highs, and and basically this is what you want to see. You want to see what London did. So during London session, we come down and we basically rebalance this entire wick here. Like, not fully, to be honest. So that is kind of weird. I was expecting us to like at least fill EQ of this range, but we didn't do that. But so these London lows were technically unsponsored, and these could get traded back to. But am I going to really consider this as a drawn liquidity when we're in bullish order flow? No. So as you can see, London, we're inversing gaps. So we inverse this gap here to the left of us, and what are we doing? We're just displacing above highs. So let's go into like the 50-minute, for example. So actually, on the 1 hour, you can see we obviously inverse this gap here and confirming a flip in order flow. And then what do we have here? We create this bullish for value gap. And what does price do? We pull back into this for value gap, and then we get obvious displacement out of it. And then look, let's go into the 50-minute. Since there's no more gaps in the 1 hour, let's just zoom into the 50-minute. We start displacing above highs. We create this 15-minute gap. What are we doing? Or look, hold on. Sorry. Let me bring this back. And on the 15-minute. So as you can see, we displace. We create this 1 hour for value gap. We tap into it, and we get displacement out of it. What are we doing? We're just respecting bullish. What do we do after this? We disrespect a bearish 15-minute gap. And what do? We create a new 15-minute gap. What do? We retrace into it, and what do? We respect it. Like, this is common sense. And we're displacing higher. What's this? Another 15-minute full bullish for value gap. What do? Retrace into it, displacement out of it. Closing above these highs here, showing clear displacement that we want higher. So at this point in time, open is around here, opens here. So I'm looking at what there is to target. So we're obviously in bullish order flow. So let's see what's above. So we have previous day high as the only draw. Asia session highs were here. But we had already taken out in pre-market. So the only thing I have higher really is previous day high, which is also all-time highs. So I use that as my drawn liquidity for the day today. So what happens is we open, and since we're trading higher and we're just pulling back into gaps and displacing out of them, what I want to see that exact same scenario happen. So basically, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a continuation model to that drawn liquidity, which is all-time highs, previous day high. So that's exactly what happens at open. So open is here. 9:30 open. And so what exactly do we do at open? We have previous high, and what do we have below us? We have these 5-minute gaps here, and this 15-minute gap here. So what did I literally just say that I'm looking for? I'm basically, like, this is deadass as simple as just following the trend. Like, I don't think you really had to be smart today to even take this trade. Like, this was just so super obvious. Because, well, it's just a continuation model. And I'm not gonna lie, this was like pretty I'm like in premium here, like, so I did like want to see like kind of a better pullback, maybe like sweep some lows. So we actually also got that as well, because let's look at the 5-minute here, and we take out all of these 5-minute gaps, all these 15-minute gaps. So this range is finally balanced. And on ES at around the same exact time, this low 855, so 855, and then here 855, NQ fails to take out this low, right? So we have an SMT here, so this is just confirming, like, this SMT, like, you didn't really need it, but like it just makes this whole thing like 10 times more A+ of a setup. So if you saw this happen and you just didn't take this, I'm not sure, like, you got work to do. So this is also a really good low here, because this is a low inside of this 15-minute gap. And at the same time, just like the little cherry on top of everything is, so this hourly fair value up here on ES, this wasn't on NQ, but we did have an hourly fair value up, and basically ES tapped into that, and obviously NQ is lagging here, so we didn't go lower, and there was no like hourly gap, so technically it doesn't really matter, but you know, just little cherry on top, because why not? But basically for entry is we get this 9:30 open low, tap into this 15-minute fair value up, tap into these 5 minutes, created this SMT here, and then what are we getting out of this? Clear V shape, obvious rejection off of this level, and we get this 5-minute inversion for value up, inversing right here. And I really did like this as well, because if you zoom into the 1 minute, we actually have this CISD here and this breaker block. So if anything, this is used as support. And honestly, I could have had a tighter stop loss here, but just want to play it safe. Had a good enough RR already, about 1.66, and let me see this. So it would have been a 1 to 2, but completely fine. Completely happy with what I made today. It's all I need. So I took this 5-minute inversion, and stop loss is at previous day high. Break even once we hit this level here, because if we do reject off of this and come back down to my entry, I will no longer want to be in the trade. So break even at this internal high here, and yeah, this played out beautifully. Entry was on that can. I got super scared on this. I thought I was about to miss the entry, because oh my gosh, we were just ripping higher, but thankfully we edged this, and then I got gifted with a beautiful close here. Right there, generous fill. My alpha accounts got filled beautifully. I think on top step I got like filled like something like this, and then on alpha I got like filled like here, so really nice. But yeah, this cash for a lot, and hopefully you guys understand. You can see this breaker block is respecting this bullish order flow, because it makes sense for us to get respected if we're truly going to be bullish. So honestly, I guess something I could have done better is, honestly, I could have just tightened my stop loss. Probably could have made more on the day, improve my RR. Because if we do go below this, then I'm just going to assume that the trade is cooked, because if we're going to be bullish, we'll respect that. So if we're going to be bearish, we'll flush through that. So that's probably something I could have done better today. But other than that, I really do like how I played it. I did not partial on any of my accounts. I just held to full TP to previous day high, since that is a strong liquidity. But yeah, $12,000 on the day. Cannot complain, but yeah, it's insane. I remember when, literally, like, not too long ago, literally was doing fucking DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that bullshit, and now we see the results paying off, man. And yeah, this is like my second 10K day, or like 5-figure day. So yeah, man, this is insane. Hopefully we keep on trading like this. I just knew this was gonna happen. So I mean, it's just the journey, man. But we have 9 accounts, so that's especially why these profits are so much bigger now. But also the losses will take a toll as well. But if we just keep trading this profitable system, 1 to 2 trades a day, A+ setups only, and just, what is my win rate? Like 75%, 80% win rate. So literally just keep on trading, trusting the model, trusting the strategy. Literally you're due for all of this. Just be disciplined, and yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, today was a banger of a day. Hopefully y'all learned something. I did take this live in the Discord. So if you do want the Discord, you can, in my bio, you can, by the way, it's free. I'm not selling a course. don't worry, I'm not selling a course, but it is free. You can go to the bio on, I'll put it in the bio of this video. I'll put my TikTok, and yeah, you can DM me on TikTok for access to the Discord. It's completely free. A lot of other traders are in there, and yeah, we just have a good time on the call. So if you want to join that, you definitely can. And also going to be trying to drop some educational sauce soon. Working on some backtesting videos, working on these trade recaps, and yeah, just so that we can all learn and all make bank together. But yeah, man, it's been a crazy week, beautiful week. But yeah, it's gonna wrap it up. 12K on the day, trading in 2 hours, or not even, like, whatever this is, 8 minutes. But yeah, crazy day. But hopefully y'all enjoy this. Hopefully we'll make some more bread next week, just sticking to the model. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.